Today I'm going to show you how to tie a full Windsor knot. That's what this is called. So you have two sides, the big side and the little side. You're going to hang it down over your neck, and then you're going to take the big side and cross it right over the top of that little side. See, just like that. Once you cross it, you're going to keep that big side coming around the back side, just like this. See? And then you're going to bring it up and put it down in the middle and pull it all the way through. Okay, and cinch it down. So, just like that, you have one of the corners of this Windsor knot. Then you're gonna keep coming around, and then you're gonna take that big side and bring it up and down again into the hole there. And then you'll cinch that one down. The goal here, after you've brought that second side around, is to make it look like a triangle, just by cinching everything up. See that? Then I'm gonna take this big side now, and I'm gonna wrap it in the front, just like that. And I'm gonna keep wrapping it around and then come up. See, wrap it. So I'm wrapping it around and coming up like this. Okay, I'll pull it all the way through, and then this is gonna tuck right in here. So I'll tuck this right in here. Just like that, and then I'm just pulling down to cinch it up. See? Just like that. And then I'll pull this up. And you can kind of push the knot to form it up into a nice looking triangle. Pull your collar down, and you have got yourself a sharp looking knot on your tie. So, if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more Live Life Simple tips.